most like annoying one when I was in college. I was a resident assistant, and many of them just like I enjoyed my job, but the complaining part that had to go.
Yeah. I've never worked a day in my life.
They'd be like, my roommate did it. What, did you talk to them? They'd be like, nope. So how would your roommate know you even have a problem with him if you haven't even told them and you want to tell me?
I don't work.
You create the jobs.
Yeah, I like to hire people rather than getting hired. So
You can't come to me with a problem if you haven't presented the problem to the person already.
Okay, so I worked at Barnes & Noble's in the cafe, and not to sound racist or nothing, but I hated it.
I've enjoyed all my jobs.
You enjoyed all your jobs?
I do everything.
One of them
I
had to be worse than the other.
Because I was the only person, black, who knew how to clean up. This girl asked me, how'd you get the dishes so clean? Just hit the button twice on the hot dishwasher and it'll be clean.
The worst job I've had is a punishment.
Barnes & Noble's is my worst job, ever. And I will never go back, ever. Like,
oh, I've had many, had very, very many.
Basically, filling up a bucket, filling up a basket with water. It's not possible. So when I was in boarding house in JS1 in Nigeria, I had to do that for a couple of weeks.
African Choice is a job, though.
It's a job, man.
Because
you ain't getting paid for the shit.
Yeah, you're not getting paid. You're working for free. It's child labor. We went through child labor as a child, so.
We say we do job. We want McDonald's, no eat rice. So that's a job. We don't get paid for that shit.
That's true.
Shit, bodyguard. You. Yeah, I was once a bodyguard. You should ask for who? That's what she asked. She asked for who? For who? A baby.
yeah, I don't work.
Can I say boss daddy or just boss? Like,
you can say whatever you want. Just know I can't clock in.
You know, it's bodyguard, not bodyguard.
Like real bodyguard.
Real bodyguard.
I still want to see the baby.
Now all those kind of babies they say, you know, they had issues. There was family issues back home in Nigeria, in the ghetto. So you know, this guy is tough, so this guy can handle. So I had to bodyguard for 2 days, bro. It was crazy, man.
African Choice is a job. A big job. No pay.
Like
no W2. No income tax filing.
Exactly.
But it's a very rough job.
Hell, you ain't even getting no refund tax.
Yes,
after
that's
that.
true. No refund tax.
I beg.